Hey guys, what's going on? I'm standing here inside our showroom inside this 2022 Puma 26 FKDS. Comes out weighing just under 6,600 pounds and has a tip-to-tip length of 29 feet 9 inches. As soon as you walk in through the main entrance, you have a front kitchen floor plan. These are one of my favorites because it just opens up the space for the rest of the camper. You can have lots of people in here, host some parties, have your little rugrats running around. There is a closet as soon as you walk in, so you can have your shoes go there, coats, sweatshirts, extra blankets, pillows, things like that. And then getting into this front kitchen, stainless steel refrigerator, stainless steel microwave, range hood, 3-burner stovetop with a glass cover, of course your oven. Sink is all the way at the front, and you have this huge tinted window so you can have a gorgeous view when you are cooking, washing dishes, and whatnot. Storage all down below, and it does feature LED accent lights on your countertop space. Power outlets are on each side. You do have a shade on that window so you can kind of block out the sun if you're getting a little too toasty. Storage compartments are just above as well, so lots of space to put all of your kitchen belongings, utensils, pots, pans, things like that. Turning around is your booth dinette. This will fold down into a sleeping space for an extra person. There is storage compartments underneath each seat, and they're pretty plush and comfortable with your seating as well. Our sale price is looking at $36,985 for everything. Really pretty light pendant, storage above your living room seating, theater reclining seats, USB port as well so you can charge your phone while you are sitting, relaxing, and watching TV. Entertainment space that you pretty much can see from anywhere in the camper. It is on a swivel, your TV, so you can change the position of it. 39-inch. And then this really pretty mantle. It has your all-electric fireplace down below. It is 31 inches. You can just have the lights going without the heat, so if you want to make it a little extra cozy in here, turn that heat on, but you also can leave it off. Your Bluetooth system is just above. You can connect your phone that way to listen to the music inside or outside, the radio, all of that fun stuff. Control paneling for your AC here on the right-hand side, and then control paneling for everything else is here on the left-hand side. A pass-through bathroom, so you do have your own entrance from the master. Rounded out shower with a skylight there above. Medicine cabinet, you have a toothbrush / soap holder mounted on the back behind your sink. Storage below your sink, porcelain foot flush toilet, and a toilet paper holder, which is nice. Oh, and there's also a vent fan too. AC unit is behind me towards your kitchen area. Closet storage space in your master bedroom, and also has a second entrance leading in. So if your kiddos are sleeping and you want to stay out by the campfire, you can just come in through the bedroom entrance. And there's your closet space. A couple drawers down below. An additional closet where you are prepped for a washer and dryer unit, but you don't have to use it for that. And then turning around to your queen size bed located in their slide out. There is an end table here on the left hand side with power outlets and USB ports. A couple windows as well that feature shades so you can sleep in if you want to. And then just behind me, there also is your entrance into the bathroom. So as we walk out, you have your power tongue jack, 2 30-pound propane tanks, nice smooth front cap with your frameless window. Diamond plating is running at the bottom of it. Aluminum siding, and there is 0 slide outs on your camping side. Access to your water heater, fresh water connection, front and rear power stabilizing jacks. A powered awning as well, and both of your entrances are protected underneath it. Outside speakers, solid steps on each entrance as well. LP Quick Connect underneath your mini kitchen. Mini fridge, pull out Greystone griddle. Bracket for a TV, power. Outside shower as well, plus your black tank flush. Another LP Quick Connect. And then this enters into your closet where you are prepped for your washer and dryer. Rear ladder, spare tire, and then you are prepped for a rear observation camera. If you have any questions or concerns about the 26 FKDS, feel free to let us know.